Thanks, mate. Hey guys, Tom Johnson here, and thank you very much for watching the video. We hope you liked that. Now, a bit of context, that was all shot on the GoPro Hero 9 in 5K 30 frames per second. So this was definitely one of the craziest shoots we've ever done. Shot in 2 days, edited in 1 day, all in time for the new product launch. So we wanted to show you a bit of the behind the scenes with FPV drones, with 30-foot pulls, so time for getting the shot. Today's Getting the Shot focuses on what we did in Times Square. Flying a drone is illegal here, so in order to capture a look-down aerial shot, we connected the GoPro to a 30-foot pole and ran through the crowds of people. This is how it looked. Moving on to the hot dog scene, we wanted to capture something quintessentially New York, something that Spider-Man would actually do. That was a lot of fun working with a local street vendor. Lastly, getting to make this little boy's day was the perfect end to the shoot. A rewarding part of the job is always interacting with the people we meet along the way. Let us know what you think of the behind the scenes in the comments. If you like it, we'll do more of these going forward.